Hi, this is John Donnellan with JD Website Development, and I'm going to talk to you today about using anchor text when you're linking between various posts inside your WordPress website. It's always a good idea to do internal linking when you're creating posts for good SEO. And a lot of times people ask me, different clients will ask me, how do I create those links? So that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's go over to an article that's just about ready for publishing, and we're going to look down in this paragraph down here, and you notice at the end of this particular client tried to create a link to another post on their blog, and by the way they did that, they said you can read our article on installing the Amazon Fire Stick by clicking here, and then they put the URL. Very common for people to do that because a lot of times they don't understand exactly how to create links inside of their WordPress editor. Here's another one down here. Check out our post about the best indoor antennas to buy at, and then they put the URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in there and we're going to turn those into proper anchor text links. So to do that, you go to your edit post to get back into the back-end editor, and once you get in there, you're going to look for the text that has those URLs. And here's the first one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. This create link button that's popping up, by the way, ignore that because it has to do with one of the plugins that's installed on this particular website. So I just copied this text for the URL, and now I'm going to go to what I want to be the anchor text, and that's going to be installing the Amazon Fire Stick. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go up here to Insert Edit Link, and now I'm going to paste the URL for that article in there and hit apply. And now that I've done that, I can get rid of all this at the end. And we may want to change the text here. Instead of saying you can read our article on installing the Amazon Fire Stick, you might want to say for more information, read our article on installing the Amazon Fire Stick. Okay, so now we have an anchor text link. This text is called the anchor text, and what it links to is the link. We could do the same thing for this other one down here. I'm going to copy the URL, and best indoor antennas to buy will be the anchor text that I want to go for. And what you to choose your anchor text, by the way, you typically want to try to choose the text that this article is being optimized for. Whatever your SEO is, whatever you're trying to create SEO for on this article, should be the anchor text that you link to from this article, if that makes sense. So this is an article about best indoor antennas, so we're going to use best indoor antennas in our anchor text. So I go up here to insert link, I paste in my URL, and now I can change the sentence. And this is fine the way it is. Check out our post about the best indoor antennas to buy, and that's my anchor text. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and update this. And once I'm updated, I'm going to take a look at what it looks like on the front end. And it's always a good idea, even though I did copy and paste, it's always a good idea to double check your links. So I'm going to double check both of those now. you can see my link text here, my anchor text, and this should take me over to my Amazon Fire Stick article, and it does. And I'm going to go back and check the other one. Best indoor antennas to buy. That should take me to my, there we go, choosing the best antenna article. So now my articles are linked from anchor text rather than just straight from the URL, which is always better for your SEO. So once again, I'm John Donnellan with JD Website Development, and this has been a brief tutorial on using anchor text for your internal links in your WordPress site. Thanks for watching.